If you were just walking here, you just walk past it, it's a weed. But this is going to be a nutritious meal for us and delicious. I remember following my mom, foraging for this quelitre. It used to grow higher than I was. Because I was very small. She would take a big bag like this, of course bigger, because there were 9 kids. And I had this sense that she was doing something that was transgressive. It was also reaching back into something that was intimately and uniquely me, us and her. This was ours. My ancestors, the Native American people of Texas, ate quelitre thousands of years ago. This is the early memory of what it means to belong to a family and what it means to belong to this land. This is the way to buy pinto beans. There you go. My work right now is to write about, cook, and share the indigenous foods of Texas and of the Americas. I like to eat this delicious food while knowing the history of it. I call it intellectually delicious. We're going to make fajitas, gorditas. Ya tenemos para la fiesta. We have for the party. Take care. Turn it up and then let it develop a film. The turning point for me was in culinary school. The food that my mom cooked and that I knew was ancestrally very important to this land was not just overlooked, but in some sense diminished. People thought all we had was Tex-Mex. I said, that's not right, because Tex-Mex is not what I eat. This is the quelitre that Letty just cleaned. Mira, remember that?
Yeah, of course I do. We ate it. Bob put onions and tomatoes. It was just a beautiful dinner that we had.
As you can see, my mom's cooking is my culinary compass. But quelitre is one of the strong guiding ingredients of not just my career as a chef and what I write about, but myself as a person. Yeah. I grew up in a very poor family as migrant farm workers.
Adán is the youngest. Am I the oldest? I'm the oldest.
There's only so much that we could afford at the grocery stores. And my mom, she knew that we could forage for this very nutritious, edible green. That tastes good. Where did you find the quelitre?
The quelitre in the field where we were working. This grew on the side of the road. These were weeds. So we learned to make that part of our food.
Quelitre is in the amaranth family, and they're trying to control it through pesticides. It's like us. Even though the larger society tried to get rid of us, we have survived.
She would do that to mold the masa.
I don't want to minimize the horrible violence that has been inflicted on our community. But the response to that has to be humane, has to be bigger than fighting back. Does it fit in my pocket? This is my mother's.
Yes, it is.
Yay! You survive with art, you survive with goodness, and when you cook, you're creating beauty. So we have calabacita, pinto beans, and our amaranth, and the South Texas specialty. And that'll be our dinner, I think.
Christ our Lord, amen. Amen.
Don't stay away, menos burros más elotes. The Texas-Mexican region is a region that is culturally and historically and culinarily speaking cohesive. See what you think. Our history has been erased from the history books, but it has not been erased in the intimacy of our homes. cooking narrates our history. It also is a way that we connect with our very, very ancient past, and we know who we are. It's a delicious tradition.